Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add bulk entries in your timesheet from the employee portal. This saves you a lot of time when you need to fill in hours for multiple days at once. We are going to do this in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to access the bulk fill feature. To get started, open up the timesheet section from the left-hand menu. If you need to log hours for a different month, use the right arrow to jump to the month you want to fill in. Look towards the top of the timesheet for the 3 dots icon, which holds the Extra Options menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal the drop-down. From the options that appear, pick Bulk Fill. This is what lets you add multiple entries in one go instead of filling them out day by day. The Bulk Fill window is now open. Next, let's move on to Step 2, entering timesheet details, where we'll fill in the date range, pay code, project, and time information for the bulk entry. To start filling in the details, pick the relevant project from the project dropdown. In this case, the electrical substation design project. Next up, choose the specific task you worked on from the task dropdown. Set your work location by selecting Office from the location dropdown. In the total hours field, enter the number of hours you worked each day during this range. Fill in your start time to indicate when your workday begins. Follow that up by entering your end time to mark when your workday wraps up. Finally, head over to the description field and add a short note summarizing the work completed during this period. The timesheet details have been filled in for the selected date range. Now let's move on to Step 3, submitting and verifying entries to make sure our bulk fill is applied correctly across all the dates. To finalize all your entries at once, hit the Save and Submit button at the bottom. A confirmation pop-up will appear summarizing what's about to happen, so review it and click Confirm to proceed. You'll see a submitted notification with a check mark, confirming your bulk entries went through successfully. Scroll down through the calendar view to verify that your entries have been applied across the date range. And that's your entries submitted and verified. You now know how to add bulk entries in the timesheet from the employee portal.